Good afternoon. Today we will try and change the HRU of the Gme type Epirb. First of all, open the casing. This is the Epirb. As you can see, it is the Gme type Epirb. This is the mounting of the HRU. So it has a locking nut. For that, what you need is a 13 mm box spanner, which should be of the screwdriver type. I'm going to open the nut. Be careful while you open the nut because it will fly back at you. Nut is open. Then there is this locking mechanism. And once I let go, it comes pushing back. Then there is one more, and next comes the HRU. The HRU is of the hammer type, and the date of expiry is October 2021, so it is still valid. Also, there is a base mount. This is the base mounting, and there is a pin. The whole Epirb is sitting on this pin. Whole Epirb HRU is sitting on this pin. So I am going to replace it back. Replace the new HRU. As you can see, the bolt won't go inside unless it is at an angle. So it's fully inside. And close the locking pin. Inside this top side locking, there is a slot which has to go into this slot. So keep it inside, align with the slot, and replace the nut. After you tighten the nut, be sure to check out the bottom bolt is sitting in the correct position. Once you have finished, you have already replaced your Epirb HRU. You can replace your Epirb and you can close the casing. So that is how you replace the Epirb's HRU.